Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to permanently disable automatic drivers updates on Windows 11 or 10 using Registry Editor. By default, Windows 11 as well as 10 automatically download and install drivers for hardware without user interaction. However, if you want to prevent this behavior of Windows 11 or 10, it is possible using Registry Editor. If your system keeps installing an incompatible version or a driver with a bug resulting in unwanted issues, it may also happen you prefer to use a third-party tool for driver installation, so you want to stop automatic drivers installation on your Windows PC. For this, first click on the Start button at the taskbar, then type Registry and click on this one Registry Editor entry. In case Windows prompts, click on the Yes button. On the Registry Editor title, you need to copy and paste this one path from this one video description. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to Windows key in the left sidebar. Now select this one Windows key and right click on it. Here select new and then key option. Name it Windows Update and then click outside. In case Windows Update key exists, select this one and then on the right side right click on the free space and then select here new and then divert 32-bit value option and name it exclude WU drivers in quality update. I will put this one divert as well as this one path in this one video description. After creating this one res divert, double click on this one and to disable automatic update put here value data 1, and in case you want to allow automatic update through Windows updates, you need to set here value data 0. After that, click on this one OK button, close the registry editor and restart your PC once to apply the changes. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.